Hey everybody, it's Ty from K2 Data Science and Engineering. In this video, we'll discuss what additions you can make to this project. First, let's review the current pipeline. You can see here's the pipeline we've been going throughout the series. We started with our Twitter stream, then we moved on to sentiment, then storing the data in Redis. After that, we formatted the data using a custom Python class. And last but not least, we displayed the information on a dashboard using Flask. Now let's talk about what we could do at each step to make it better. Here's a look at a more advanced pipeline. To start off, we would want to parallelize reading the Twitter stream. It would make sense to have separate instances of the stream for each brand we want to monitor. We only associated one word with each brand in our example, but in a real-world scenario, there would probably be multiple words that we would want to examine. It would be best to separate them out into different services. With our sentiment analysis, it was quite simplistic. We may want to add several other dimensions depending on what we believe is important to monitor for the brands. In addition to storing the matched tweets in Redis, we could also compute and store batched views. These would be aggregated values based on set number intervals or time intervals. We could store them with a separate key and later display them on the dashboard. For formatting, there's still some room for improvement with showing the entire text of the tweet and matching all the different uppercase and lowercase permutations of a brand's name. With the dashboard, we could always make it more dynamic and functional. We can aggregate based on brands, filter on brands, and even have asynchronous refreshes. We would most likely have to utilize JavaScript to pull this off. Thanks again for watching this series. Please send me any feedback or comments, and stay tuned for the next series. I haven't planned it out yet, but I'm leaning towards building search indexes.